Okay, start the
Yeah, welcome back to another video, my guys. Today we're playing Gang Beast. Yay! Not like the goddamn second, like the other video. It doesn't do that other goddamn crap.
Nobody,
It was
guys,
annoying.
watch. If you haven't watched the first video, watch it. It was nuts.
What the fuck? Okay.
And today we're on trucks, not elevators.
Yeah.
Oh! Oh!
Man, fuck my life.
I'm coming, guys.
These truck drivers are goddamn badass, bro.
You jumped. And you're like, come here, boy. You jumped over me, and I was like, punch by. Wait. Tyson, have you ever seen twerking? Twerk!
No! Fuck!
I'm coming! I came after you. Bro, you're like, I'm coming, mate. I'm gonna slap you. Oh shit! I'm gonna come to you since you can't even jump a truck.
Ooh ee ooh ah ee do ah do ee ooh ah ooh ee ooh ah ee do ah oh ooh ee ooh ah.
I'm on your truck, boy. Oh!
What?
I lost grip.
I'm right there. Oh yeah. I'm just sitting there hanging on the side of the fucking.
Hey, sure you might go down. Hey, you're on my side. I'm color blue. Get off my side, brother.
Okay.
That's my color. Get off.
Come get it.
Huh?
Punk.
Did you say? Riding you. Did you see that? I was bloody riding you. Did you see that? I was bloody riding you on the road. Please say you saw that. I'm not staying on this pink side.
That's been the last goddamn second, bro.
Bro, I was like, I'm not staying on this pink side. I jumped to grab. You like jumped. I grabbed onto you. I bloody rode you on the road. Bloody like, you're taking me landing. Why are you falling off?
Bro, I just smashed my head on the corner.
Yeah, but why are you jumping off?
I don't know. I'm trying to get to the other side.
Bro, you gotta wait for the trucks to come closer. Plus, you need to do the grab button. Just wait for them to come closer.
See?
Like this! Oh, oh my god! Oh no!
Oh shit! Oh? Yeah.
Oh, I'm getting crushed.
Nah, shit, I'm getting crushed too, bro.
I'm holding the trucks together. I'm coming, Tyson.
Survival techniques. Oh shit,
I'm
the road. Oh fuck.
Tyson, I'm holding the trucks together. Did you see that?
Yeah, no, I can see it right now.
Ah! Got crushed.
Bro.
Bro, that was nuts. My arms got stretched. Hey Tyson, I'm gonna do the worm. Oh shit.
Alright, perfect. This is where I want to be. What the fuck? The truck just did a freaking bunny hop.
Hey Tyson. Are you in there? Bro, I'm getting crushed.
Yeah, yes you are.
Bro, my head's gonna come off.
No!
Did you see
I
what
walked
happened?
out.
No, you did not see that, did you? My arms, I was holding on to separate trucks. My arms got stuck, my head lifted up. I bloody went face first. I got a bloody front flip smash. You're staying on the girly side. You're not coming on my side. You alright down there? Oh, wait, you're not? Alright, here. Catch my